Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today we're going to be looking at the OnePlus 8T 5G made for T-Mobile. And this is just a very quick unboxing. First thing that comes in the box is a Warp Charge 65. So they said 100% in 39 minutes, and we tried it and it is fast, let me tell you. The phone is this really cool green bluish color, and the phone has 4 cameras on the back. It has USB-C on the bottom, a speaker, SIM card holder, and then the rest is just buttons and microphones. Comes with this very thick USB-C cable to handle the power that it's giving. It's very similar to what a laptop cable would be like. And so far the screen is very smooth, the phone feels great, and it's definitely worth it.